Yeah.
If you ain't got a thread lock, just use Honda Bond.
Gosh, so dumb.
It works.
Oh, it's freezing in Vegas right now, guys. Holy freezing.
Like 30 degrees right now, probably.
No, I was in the 20s, which is
Still freaking
Arctic in Vegas. But we are wrenching because we have to start on this China build. We got to get this block cleaned. We're gonna do everything fresh and so clean. Because I was thinking, you don't want to put down a dirty block back in your car. It doesn't look like it's been rebuilt. So I got this cool little nifty valve spring tool to remove the keepers. This thing is made in China too, so we're apparently using Chinese tools as well as Chinese parts to get everything rebuilt. So I'm gonna go ahead and this thing is pretty simple. It locks in with these two bolts, and then with this little with the little stud down here, you go through here, and it presses down and removes the keeper. Let's see if I could show you that. Oh wow! So we're gonna use show you how Chinese tools work to do these valve springs. So have a little dimple here and install that right here. Is it dark probably?
Yeah, it's
pretty dark. So you're gonna get it the nipple right on the dimple. Get it?
Nipple right on the dimple?
Yeah.
Can't really see the nipple or the dimple.
It's right there. Right there.
Yeah, you can point it out all you want, but camera ain't gonna see it.
Camera angle's all jacked, huh?
Camera angle's on point. It's just dark in there.
I don't know. We need some light. Get some near those pliers. Do surgery on it. Come on, motherfucker.
Let me go a little bit deeper, like tighten this up a little bit more.
I got it, fool.
Oh, you got it.
See?
You got it. You got it. Screwdrivers all the time.
Bam.
You got it.
All right. Let me take it back down.
Dude, this tool is like so much easier than I have the other tool that you gotta like push down on.
You gotta like hammer it.
Yeah, I don't like using that one. I mean, it works, but it's like sketchy because you're like using a hammer.
So that's how Chinese tools work. This will probably do like 2 or 3 heads. Or, it's aluminum. It probably like strip after a while.
Think so?
Probably.
Dude,
Wrecked. These friggin' valves are.
they're just covered in.
This is the worst cylinder. I just purposely wanted to do this one, but you have all the carbon, the freaking corrosion right on that thing.
Yeah.
Holy!
Yeah,
Is it zoomed in? Enough? It's all.
Oh, they can see it.
They can see it.
Ugh.
Ugh.
Ooh.
Like
That's about 100,000 miles,
It was like
200,000 miles worth of
look like a coral reef in this mother.
coral reef.
Coral reef in this mother effer. So
Yeah, those are pretty.
everything's gonna be changed, guys. We're gonna do a full head rebuild, full block rebuild, with the exception of no sleeves.
Yeah, we're used
But
to
we're gonna go ahead and get this all freaking taken care of, and stripped, and then we're gonna go ahead and get it hot tanked, so it looks like all nice,
all brand new.
all brand new. So.
You actually we're gonna do new valves too. You got some Chinese valves?
Oh yeah.
Get out of here! You got Chinese valves? You know, we could have just used the stock valves.
No.
I said I want to go with.
Look. These
Oh.
Chinese.
I don't. Is it? Oh, those are knockoffs.
No. These are real.
Those are the Skunk 2. Those are actual Chinese.
They're made in China.
Oh shit! I didn't know that.
These fools don't even know.
What about SuperTech? Are they made in China?
No, they're made in Argentina.
Oh, that's where I'm from. Oh, I'm not from there, but
Argentina.
my family's from there.
So these are new valves that are going to be put into it.
So they're low comp valves.
No, I think these are just standard. You know,
Or standard, yeah.
if they were high compression, they would be completely flat with
Yeah.
no indentation on it.
Yeah.
But these ones are standard. We didn't really want to do any. GSR compression is like perfect for turbo.
Yeah.
For the size turbo that we're going to be running, and then also we have freaking super fuel, so we're not going to be running into those. Also, we're changing out the lost motion assembly to blocks, which everything from blocks is freaking
China.
Taiwan or China. So they all count, all right? China and Taiwan, they all count. You know what I'm saying? What do they speak in Taiwan? Right?
Chinese?
man.
Oh, I didn't know that. I was gonna say, isn't that like disrespectful? Just like calling me a Mexican, even though I'm Argentinian.
Does it speak?
I don't really care. It doesn't, I don't take it the wrong way.
Right.
It don't bother
We're
me.
good.
But
We're good. We're good. All right, look at that. Look at they're all different colors, fool. You see that?
dang.
They're all different.
Jeez,
So this one's like super. This is the cylinder 3 that was messed up.
super rich.
Yeah, super rich. This one's probably because of the head gasket. Like you can see, like it's like carbon build like crazy. This one's like
normal.
you know, I mean,
They're a little,
slight lean.
Yeah, but
I mean, maybe more than lean. I'm not sure. Usually people.
Remember we were talking about this? How when the car goes into limp mode, it'll like 2 cylinders will run normal, and then 2 are.
Yeah. So when you guys get a check engine light on your Honda, it'll richen up 2 cylinders because the pistons, these ones 2 go up and the 2 ones on the side, 1 and 4, they go down. So they move like that motion. So this is probably more like how the burn should be. These 2.
Yeah.
And these ones is the rich one. So if you ever throw a check engine light, say you throw like intake air temperature, you O2, anything, it will run rich on 2 cylinders so that it slows the car down, so that you're not trying to like balls out, like, you know, race it when you know something wrong.
Even though half of us do that still.
Half of us do it anyway because it's like, you know, it feels okay, but your car is detuned and you don't get the power. So this is prolonged period where he had an issue where there's a check engine light and stuff like that. So this is kind of the proof is in the pudding. You can see that this is more of the burn that you want, similar to this, because you don't want like white. You want to like have a little brownness to it, and then you can obviously tell with this one
super rich.
that it was running super rich, and then also
burning oil.
I believe this one was that
that cylinder that had the clean piston. Remember?
Yeah, because I think because you see right here. You see this right here?
It says up.
Yeah, this is from the head gasket. That one was from the coolant. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's like, so there's a seal here. How did it corrode in the middle? Like, how did it get there? Like the corrosion, right? Because it has a leak. It has a leak on the head gasket. Yeah. So it's blown head gasket, and then this one got passed because it's gonna come out from here or here, and then it seeped in here. So obviously the head gasket blown, as you guys can see. This corrosion right here is from a blown head gasket because the coolant flows through here, and then broke through the head gasket, and then made that nice up color from the center head gasket. I'm gonna get rid of these valves and go from JDM to Chinese CDM. This is a new CDM. It's CDM engine, bro. CDM GSR. So this is the easy way to. This is an easy way to kind of detect if something's wrong with your engine. This little screen right here is going to tell you if it has some metal shavings in it on the VTEC solenoid. On the bottom, you see some sediment, and it looks like, it does look like it's some metal shavings on there. Yeah. What is that?
Yeah, there's metal shavings in it.
Yeah, metal shavings. This is a clear indication that something is not right with the motor. So if you don't want to take the whole bottom end apart and to see, you can remove the VTEC solenoid, and it'll let you know if there's something wrong with the freaking
If you're eating metal.
Yeah, if you're like, if it's filled, don't buy the head. So don't buy the head. Literally, yeah. So that thing hasn't been taken off for the whole thing, but continue in China build.
Find out if these Chinese parts can hold up. How much power do you think we should make with this thing?
500.
500?
Yeah, it's a good number. It's my lucky number, 5. So.
How about 550?
550?
555.
500. 500 is a good, nice, powerful number. You know.
Powerful number.
All right, so this is one we got to remove the lost motion assembly.
And rocker arms.
Rocker arms. In order to get this, we got informed by the machine shop that you got to remove all this stuff.
Yep. you want to do a thorough cleaning, they gotta remove all this stuff. So, oh shit. It's not good.
So, Bubba G,
Try not to drop these and lose these.
See the pins, how they interlock?
Yep, they just.
It's cool, it's cool. We'll figure it out next time.
I just want to try to keep it all the same, you know. Usually we use rubber bands to hold the stuff together, but we don't got any, so we're just gonna.
It's all good.
So lay them down. Gotta get. So what I heard, easy way to take these out.
You just yank them bitches
You
in?
just yank them, yeah. Without, I was gonna try to save them, but well, I mean we can always get new ones, I guess.
Yeah, you need a just get a needle nose plier. Just freaking blop blop. This is a trick.
So you use the torch to remove these valve seals.
Awesome, bro. The show.
Just don't sit there with the torch forever.
Yeah.
Just
You
enough
gotta
to melt the rubber.
There you go.
I think I got it.
Let's go, bro.
I think I got it. Just trying not to punch myself in the face.
Don't punch yourself in the face, brother. Ooh, twisted, shout. There you go.
So yeah, I guess.
So you see that little rubber inside the middle? Yeah, it melts it so that it's easy to kind of just punch out. These are not going to be reusable anyway, so.
Yeah, we're not reusing them.
Gotta do like a minimum count. A minimum
5 seconds.
count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Boom.
3,000.
3 seconds. 3 1,000s.
3,000. Or as soon as you see the top of the rubber melt.
Yeah, top of the rubber melts,
Yeah,
but
look at
you like you said,
Looks a lot
it's
cleaner.
all stripped and bare. Let's see in its glory.
Right.
All stripped and bare.
Oh.
Oh, damn, gotcha. Close that.
Got me in the back.
Bare head.
Next time you guys see this thing, it's gonna look brand new.
Well, we hope so.